I have a completely unique meme coin trading strategy that's helped me have a really high win rate during this week. I'm going to show you everything during this video, really break down my entire strategy because I'm sure you really don't understand this strategy and no other people are really showing you this strategy broken down. It's got a very high win rate and I've been very successful over these last couple of weeks. Let's jump straight into the video. Don't forget to check out all the links in the video description, especially for TradeWiz, which is what I trade with. You get a massive 10% off all of your meme coin trading fees and access to the fastest meme coin trading bot. It's actually much faster than Axiom. So we'll begin on here, Axiom. The best way to be finding the next massive meme coins using my trading strategy is to use this wallet tracker. The way that I use the wallet tracker is I'm finding traders who are making tens of thousands of dollars every single week. And what I'm seeing is I'm tracking their trades one by one. Literally, this trader who's super profitable is actually up more than $100,000 this month, has just bought into this coin, and we can actually track all of his trades that are happening right now. We can go ahead and actually see that 2 minutes ago, he entered into this trade of SDGG. We can even go ahead and see what the coin is that he's entered on. It's on a massive uptrend and it's clear that he's obviously up a huge amount of money. But how did I find these particular traders? I've shown you in a previous video that I did actually use Soul Squeezer to find a lot of these traders, but I'm going to be showing you something different in this video where I actually come over and use the website ColeScan. You're able to track and find some of the top meme coin traders on ColeScan, and what I'll be doing is adding them to my wallet manager, tracking all of their live trades, and then directly through Axiom, I'll be able to see all of these live trades pop up. SolPot is a Solana Case offering massive weekly leaderboard giveaways for $25,000. You can open a free case daily. Use code JOHN and the link in the video description. They have Jackpot, Coin Flip, and a range of other games. Thank you to SolPot for sponsoring this video. Let's jump back into it. And then using TradeWiz right here, I'll be taking all of my trades directly. As I said, Axiom is great for all of these other features, but it's not the fastest trading exchange. TradeWiz is a lot faster. You can actually download the extension. All of the links is available in the video description. Again, you get the massive 10% off all of your fees and free access to all of these features. It's a Telegram trading bot, but then you can download the extension and then you'll be able to now trade and overlay over Axiom, Dex Screener, BullX, Photon, all of these massive trading websites, but they're all slower than TradeWiz. TradeWiz is a lot faster. So I use TradeWiz to actually ensure that my trading speed is faster than everybody else's. That's something that a lot of people are actually lacking and they don't know that they're lacking in their overall trading speed. So we'll come over to ColeScan. We can see these are all the latest trades, so 12 seconds ago, 14 seconds ago. What we'll do is we'll head over to the leaderboard section. Now in the leaderboard, we're able to see the top people by daily, weekly, monthly. We even just go over the last week. And what we're looking for is traders not with hundreds and hundreds of trades, because this is a weekly leaderboard. This means that this trader's taken 1,000 trades. It's going to be very expensive overall. We want to be finding a trader that's decently profitable, but taking here, we can see what's that. It's roughly 110 trades, or even here, only taking, 75 odd trades. So let's actually copy and open up this trader. We'll click right here, copied him right here. We've copied his address. Now we can bring them over to TradeWiz right here. Can actually use their extension, their smart money, or right here we'll be using their address analysis because we've got a specific address that we found from ColeScan. We'll paste that in. And now we'll be able to see how profitable this specific trader is. Here we can see this trader over the last 7 days actually has a 75% win rate and made over $30,000. So this is definitely a trader that I'm interested in following along. So what I'll do is, again, I'll copy his wallet. Then we'll come over to Axiom. Here in their wallet tracker section, we'll minimize here TradeWiz so we can see everything a little bit easier. Come over to their wallet tracker. Now come over to wallet manager. Add wallet in this top right section. We'll add the wallet address because that's what we copied. And then we can call him ColScan1. Add the wallet. Now you can see he's been added to our wallet manager, and now all of his live trades will pop up right here. There was another trader that I really like, so this second one right here, we'll copy his wallet too. Come over to TradeWiz and just double check his wallet. So do the address analysis, paste him in. Just give it a second for TradeWiz to grab all of their trades, just to ensure that they are profitable. You can see 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days. We're able to track these traders over multiple different time frames here. You can see they made $170,000, 35% win rate. So they've made a lot of money. The win rate's a little bit lower, so we could actually copy this wallet. Again, same thing, add him to Axiom. What we might do is, because he has a little bit less of a overall, let's actually turn all of these alerts on. There we go. Now all the alerts are on. Now let's add this, and now ColScan2, and we can even put low win rate. We can add that right here. Add him. We can see we'll add for the alert. So we get all of his alerts right here. And now we'll see all of their live trades again pop up directly. And why I love this is because not only are we finding super profitable traders, even like this coin, look how it's continuing to trade. It's continuing to actually trend. And this guy came in for 10 Solana. 10 Solana, that's over nearly $1,500. He's coming in for a decently heavy trade and actually bought in close. So let's actually close this wallet manager. And now we'll actually open this up on the track trades, and we'll see exactly where he's entering and where he's exiting. So if we scroll out, we can see this trader's actually bought in here, 1.4, sold for 1.45. Now actually looking overall like a decently trending coin. When we use the wallet manager, this is the best way to find all of the best trending coins, because we can search for wallets. There was a way, before we were doing a lot of copy trading, but this is the best trading strategy as of late, as of the last 3 to 4 weeks. Basically, this is a form of copy trading, but rather than automatically copying the trades, we're using the manual trading strategy to get alerts, bang, 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 and then we'll actually follow along and choose to manually enter or exit into this trade. So really, really good. I much prefer this trading strategy because then I'm using a lot of my own technical analysis, using my own trading strategy, but then being able to find top trending coins, because all of these traders are consistently trading in the market. They're some of the best traders, so I know they're trading some of the most trending coins. And when I'm getting alerts that they're actually trading these top trending coins, I know where I need to begin to focus on. It makes it a lot easier for my trading, much more consistent. I'm sure you can apply this and be a much more consistent trader in this meme coin market. Don't forget to check out all the links in the video description. Get that 10% off for TradeWiz and all the other links. If you have enjoyed, smash the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.